on some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to bogart, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So, really wanted to do this video on a bike. Can't. I went to change the back brake pads last night and I ended up getting the wrong brake pads. I put the old ones back on. I mean, it'd be good for a couple more rides. But as I tried to roll the bike out of the garage this morning, well, just now, the rear brake was locked up. Quick further inspection, caliper might actually just went bad. I'm not 100% sure. But really want to make this video on the bike. It's going to end up being like kind of probably broken up a little bit if it works out the way I want it to. Just got plans for today. Y'all remember my video taking Anthony on a ride, his very first ride on a Harley. It's his birthday. We're going to do a birthday drive-by, and then also go hit up this spot and get something to eat. I've been there before. It's pretty damn good. Hopefully it's still good. Hopefully I can get in. If everything works out today, everything's gonna be great. But the main thing I want to say right now is thank you everybody for the 700 subscribers. Finally hit it. It's pretty awesome. Pretty happy. My goal this year was 800. I mean, my goal was 1,000, but I dropped that goal real fast. My secondary goal was 800. 100 short of it. Well, about 90 short of it right now. Less than a month before the end of the year. There's just no way. But I'm not sad. I'm not mad. Nothing, because when I started this year, I had 450 subscribers. Which means I gained 250 subscribers in 1 year, and that's more than I've ever gotten. So I cannot complain about that. I'm pretty happy. Well, I hope that sun ain't in the GoPro anyway. So, like I said, this video is probably going to be broken up. Thank you, everybody. I'll probably say it several times. I will see you in a few short moments. All right, we're about to drive by little Anthony's house real quick for his birthday drive-by. I got Nikki holding the camera. You don't have to watch the back. Okay, you can like sit towards them as we're driving up to them. You know what I mean? What's going on, everybody?
What's going on? Come here.
Hi.
Hi, Anthony.
We're here for you.
How are you?
What's going on, buddy? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing good. We were gonna bring the bike, but I had some brake issues, so we wasn't able to bring the bike.
That's okay.
Hey, that's fine.
At least you showed up.
Yeah, I figured I'd show up with my loud ass truck now.
Hey, that's all right. I like it. Can you do mine?
The neighbors are gonna hate you.
This one got a little 4.8. I mean, here.
That's all right.
We got a Civic coming here pretty quick.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, and he's supposed to do a small, probably a little roasty.
Does he got a two-step or anything? Yeah, you can shut it off.
It's a little bitty one up there.
Huh?
A little Civic cross street.
That's it?
That's the neighbor. That's all he's gonna do. That's all.
Well, we finished up with Anthony's birthday. Feel bad for the little guy. Nobody really showed up until after we left, and one truck showed up. Nikki's still trying to learn how to hold the camera. So now we're gonna go try to hit up this place to get something to eat. And the place is called Grinders. And they have an assortment of things, right?
Yes.
But my favorite thing there is the Philly cheesesteak. close to an actual Philly cheesesteak that you're gonna get around here anyways. But so far it's been the best one that I've had in Kansas City. So we're gonna try to go get there. Not sure if we're gonna be able to get in or not with the new rules and shit, but we're gonna try. So I will hit you all back up when we get there. This is the Crossroads Art District of downtown Kansas City.
At the light, turn left onto East 18th Street. Then the destination is on your right.
A lot of pretty good places down here. I even brought Double Shift Brewing.
The destination is on your right.
Yep, Grinders is right there on the right hand side. The problem is
Parking.
parking.
Right here. Oh, that's fire hydrant.
Yeah, have lots and lots of businesses and restaurants right here, and finding a place to park could prove to be a little difficult. And we still don't even know if we can get in. Oh, that mural, yeah. A lot of painted up buildings. Oh, Chiefs, who cares? Fried mushrooms cut open because they're too hot. How are they?
Good.
I give you a thumbs up.
Drinking my sorrow away, what's going to be in 10 years?
So, leaving Grinders. What, Nicole, how did you feel about your meal? What did you get?
I got the chicken fajita salad.
Chicken fajita salad. How did you feel about it?
It was fucking disgusting.
It was what?
It was fucking disgusting.
Fucking disgusting
It
is
had
what she
no
said.
flavor at all.
And I got the Philly cheesesteak. It was good. I ate it all. But it wasn't as good as I remember. Last time we came down here and ate was how long ago?
3 years ago.
How long ago?
3 years ago?
Okay. It wasn't as good. It was still good, but not as good. So, I don't know. We might come back another time.
No, I don't think so.
Or we might not.
I mean, the mushrooms were good. The deep fried mushrooms.
The deep fried
Those were
mushrooms.
good.
How was your Bloody Mary?
It was amazing and spicy, like I like it.
And I drank a first time I've ever had a vanilla stout, and it was actually pretty good.
It was gross, guys. It really was.
But anyways, so we're done with grinders, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do now. I think go back to the house. Anyways, so that'll probably wrap this one up. She's probably been filming my arm the whole time. You were holding that.
I really wasn't. I'm pretty sure I got you. Oh, look at all the tents.
Oh, yeah, San Bernardino out here with all the tents and homeless people. Anyways. I did not realize the poverty and homeless had gotten that bad that we have shit underneath bridges now. People living up underneath bridges.
Oh my God.
Making houses out of pallets.
You guys probably can't see it, but it's a lot.
So anyways, probably gonna call that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you know, leave a comment and all that other good shit. Anybody coming to Kansas City anytime soon, hit me up, let me know. We'll go somewhere to eat. Go have a beer or something. Anyways, don't forget to, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, share it around. Please like, because it really helps. Also, again, thank you for all my 700 subscribers. The guy hit 710 so far as of today, which is amazing. So hopefully next year we'll have a lot more videos on the bike. Didn't do too bad this year. So dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.